Hi and welcome back to Algorithm World 2022. I'm here with Greg Agami, RAN Strategy and Architecture Director at UScellular. Greg, welcome. Thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Now, let's talk a little bit about sustainability and the role that the ICT industry has to play in that important part. So just describe a little bit about what they should be focusing on right now and what they can do to reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
Well, certainly. So ICT industry currently is using up about 5 to 10% of the global electricity supply. So industry certainly plays a key part. A two-pronged approach. One is to make more use of renewables, clean energy sources, and then work on optimizing our power consumption, energy utilization, really bring that down to reduce carbon emissions going forward.
Excellent. Now, when we think about the 5G systems that are being deployed here today, many service providers around the world are actually still rolling out 5G networks, but we're actually starting to think about 6G networks as well and the evolution towards 6G as well. What are the things and the lessons that have been learned when we think about 5G as we start to plan for 6G in terms of sustainability and energy efficiency?
So one thing is definitely to design with sustainability in mind. That's started with 5G, but really taking a lead in 6G. In 5G, there are already many efficiencies over 4G. Just modernizing our networks, and UScellular, we're certainly doing that to try to move to more energy efficient technologies. In terms of learnings, just seeing what AI can do right now in 5G, we're already taking advantage of that. AI will be more foundational in 6G in really reducing our power utilization and really bringing a better tomorrow as well.
Now, when we think about energy consumption in 5G networks today, it's not just the RAN that we need to be concerned about. Can you explain a little bit more about the entire network when it comes to energy efficiency?
Sure. So the RAN is certainly a key part. RAN is consuming about 50% of the energy needed for the whole system. There's more energy utilized by the data centers in 5G as well. We see that becoming important as well. But in terms of really realizing the energy savings going forward, the RAN does play a major role in the future.
Interesting. And now, obviously, service providers like UScellular are deploying 5G networks right now. What are the learnings from today's 5G networks as we start to even think about 6G and planning for 6G networks? What are the key things around sustainability, energy efficiency that we need to consider?
Yeah. So one key item, again, is designing with sustainability in mind. That's something that we already see the benefits in 5G compared to 4G. We're modernizing our networks now, rolling out 5G systems. That's already helping with efficiency and sustainability. For 6G, a lot of the learnings that we're making in 5G in terms of optimizing energy consumption, the use of AI and machine learning techniques to better manage and utilize power. In 6G, that'll be an even more foundational part of the system. We'll need autonomous systems to really manage complex systems. So AI autonomous systems will be key components and learning what we've been able to do in 5G to make a better 6G.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Greg. Really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you.
In the next couple of days. Great to meet you. Thank you very much. That's all we have time for right now. This is Jason Elliott at Algorithm World 2022.